This video is going to give you an overview of CRM tags. Now, tags are just a different name for list. That's what you should think of them as. When you're creating a tag, what you're basically doing is creating a list. And then you're going to add customers to that list by simply tagging your customers with that tag. Pretty simple concept, but it is really useful because later on you could export your leads out of your CRM or your clients according to tag. Or you could filter your list by tag so that you can get your list of clients that belong to a certain characteristic anytime you want. And you can create as many tags as you want, so you can always pull the lists you need when you need them. Let's see how that works. Back into LMN now. Under the CRM menu, you're going to see a menu called Tags. We're going to click that. Tags is where you're going to set up your master list of tags or lists, as we're calling them. So any characteristic or property that you want to create as a list. So for example, if I want to create a list of all my commercial clients, then I will set up a list called commercial. And setting up a tag couldn't possibly be easier. All you really need to do is go new, name it, and hit OK, and that's it. Once you've got your tag set up, you can add clients to that list or to those tags. And there's a couple of ways of doing that. So first, here's my tags list. Over here, it shows me all my names of tags that I have, how many contacts, clients, or leads I have assigned to each tag, and then I've got some actions over here. I can edit the name or I can delete them if I no longer need them. Once you get your list set up, now you need to pick which clients should get assigned to these tags, and there's two ways of doing that. So within CRM, contacts, if I open a specific client or lead, I can go down here to the tags section. Now, if I was going to add a tag to this client, I simply start typing. So we already have commercial, but let's delete that just for a second because we just added that. Let's see if I can add the commercial tag. I'll just go COMM. As soon as I start typing, it finds a tag that matches it. It says, is this the one you mean? And you just click that to say, yeah. Once it shows it in there, you hit add tag. And once you see that green rectangle there with the tag name, now you know that tag has been added to the client. So here I can add any number of tags just by starting to type them and then clicking tag. Don't forget to actually apply these tags. I've got to save my client record after. So now it'll be saved. So that's one way to add a tag. It's useful if I'm dealing with one client. But what if I create a tag and now I want to add it to a whole bunch of clients at once? You don't have to go one at a time. You can go back to your contacts list and you can select the clients that you want to add the tag to. Once you've picked the clients that you want to add this tag to, simply go assign tags. Now it'll show you all the tags you've created. You can pick the ones that you want to assign, and then you can choose the update type. There's two types, and it's important to understand the difference. Add tags will just add these tags along with any existing tags the clients have. So it doesn't mess with their existing list. It'll just add these two. The other option is replace tags. And what that'll do is clear any existing tags for those selected clients and just add these ones that you've set here. So two important differences. Usually you're going to use add, but the replace is handy if you want to sort of revamp your system. Once you've finished picking the correct tags, just go to the OK button. It'll think for a second and then say tags assigned. And now if I went to any single one of those, they're going to have those tags assigned to them all for you. Now, one of the most useful parts of tags is back on the contact screen. We can filter our list by tag. So if I want a list of all my AAA prospects, I simply do that. And even more useful, I can export by tag. So if I want to export to an Excel spreadsheet a list of all my residential maintenance prospects, I can just untick all these, actually do toggle all, and I'll just choose residential tag and prospect maintenance and hit export. And what that'll do is generate an Excel file of all the clients that have those two tags assigned to them. That's how to work with tags. Any questions? By all means, hit us up at live chat or use support@golmn.com. Happy to give you the answers.